Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this look right here using the Glamlite Ice Cream Dream palette. I decided to use the neutrals just to show you that you can do something a little bit more toned down, not necessarily rainbow with this palette. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click the button and notification bell. I've been posting videos weekly and I cover beauty, lifestyle, and DIY, so welcome to the community. Also, if you'd like to see more looks with the Glamlite palette, I do have a few looks up on my TikTok and Instagram, and I'll leave those links down below. So if you'd like to learn how to create this look, then keep watching. Starting with the PLouise eyeshadow base, I'm taking a stiff blending brush and I'm bringing it all the way up toward my brow bone. Dipping into the shade Peanut Butter, this is going to go in the crease and a little bit above it. We're setting this down so that the darker color can blend better. Now we're using Chocolate. This shade goes in that outer edge the most intensely, and I'm shaping it in a V, like elongating the look of my eye with a detailed brush. Then I'm taking a clean brush and bringing it into the crease, but I'm not actually placing any color in the crease. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but in the inner corner. So we'll start with Peanut Butter, then we'll dip into Chocolate, and then with a clean brush, you bring the colors into the crease so that it just looks more intense in that inner and outer edge. Now we're dipping into the shade Peanut Butter, and I'm covering the center of my crease. It's not going to look as dark as the inner and outer edge because I am not actually placing Chocolate in the center. I'm dipping into the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette for the creamy light shade to blend out the edges of the shadows. Once that's done, I'm gonna cut my crease with the PLouise eyeshadow base and a flat concealer brush. I then apply Salted Caramel with my finger because it just looks so much more foiled and intense, and I blend out the edges with a brush. Clean up the edges with some makeup remover and a Q-tip, and move on to complexion. Using my favorites, Maybelline Master Prime, IT Cosmetics CC+, and I'm highlighting my face with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I like to blend everything out with the Real Technique sponge, works better for my dry skin. Decided to do my brows off camera since you've seen it so many times, and I'm dipping into the Benefit Cheekathon palette. I'm using Hoola and Dallas as a blush. Back to the eye look, I'm applying Peanut Butter all through my lower lash line, just makes everything blend better. Chocolate up to the midpoint of my lower lash line just because it's so intense, and then just blending those two together. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink and I'm doing a wing look. And to spice it up, I decided to elongate the inner corner by making a little bit of a point. I'm using a kohl liner by Milani on my lower lash line and waterline, and I do like to smoke it out with a brush. It just takes off the edge. Applied some mascara and falsies, and now I'm dipping into the Milani Strobe Light just to highlight a few points on my face. I'm using a 3-step combo for lips, lip liner, lipstick, and gloss, and everything is linked down below. And then I just set everything in place with the Milani Make It Dewy. And here is the finished look, just that perfect balance of smoky and sultry, but also bright. If you guys decide to recreate this, make sure to tag me on socials. I would love to see all of your looks, and I hope you enjoyed. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and that you learned something new. If you liked it, make sure to share and leave a comment down below if you're curious about any of the shades in this palette and you would like me to create a look with it. So again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.